Back body line drill, head on floor. The back body line drill is often used as an alignment drill for handstand training. Some people find it helpful and others question its use. I find it a valuable teaching tool and often use it with my clients. Keeping the head on the floor during the back body line drill makes it easier to focus on the alignment and build endurance. Start by lying down on your back with the knees bent and the feet flat on the floor. Lift the hips up and tilt the pelvis into a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT. Tuck your tailbone between your legs before lowering the hips back down to the floor with the lower back pushed into the floor. Grip a stick with both hands, roughly shoulder width apart. Imagine you're trying to snap the stick by twisting your hands towards the pinky fingers. This will create external shoulder rotation and help to keep the elbows locked. Next, protract the shoulders by pushing the stick away from the body. As you start to lower the stick overhead, you will continue to push the stick away from the body to elevate the shoulders when the arms are parallel to the floor. You will slowly straighten the legs as you lower the stick overhead. Keep the inside edge of the feet pushed together and point the toes. When the legs are straight, you must contract the quads and glutes to create lower body tension. The aim is to create a nice horizontal line that passes through the ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, elbows and wrists. Do not confuse the back body line drill with the gymnastics hollow body hold. If the ankles and wrists are not in alignment, you're performing the wrong movement. Lower them down to create a nice horizontal alignment of the joints. At no point will the lower back lift off the floor. If the lower back arches, you should stop the movement at once as you're not training the alignment. Hold the back body line drill for the prescribed time. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Cheers.